So I've been testing this new vacuum cleaner that I ordered through Amazon from a company called BuTure. It's got a unique placement of the dustbin. I like the most the soft felt bristles on the roller, which is good for pet hairs. So let me test it now. Turning it on. So far it's been working great for me, keeping my couch dog hair free. Also on my chair. Let me increase the suction maximum. There you go. I didn't use the extended one because I didn't need it for cleaning just the couch and sometimes the bed. So it's handy. I like it. I think I'm gonna dedicate this for just cleaning my couch and bed and chairs to keep them free of dog hairs. I like this one.